Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replying to a DM in X. Replying to a DM allows you to continue the conversation and engage with others. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the envelope option situated in the bottom drawer of the screen. Give it a tap to access your direct messages. Step 3. Go to the chat where the DM was sent. You can scroll through your chats or use the search function to find the specific conversation. Step 4. Tap and hold on the message that you want to reply to. This action will activate the message options. Step 5. Tap on Reply from the available options. This will open the reply box, allowing you to type and send your response to the DM. Now, you can easily reply to a DM in X and continue your conversations effortlessly. Whether it's sharing your thoughts, answering questions, or simply engaging with others, replying to a DM keeps the communication flowing. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to reply to a DM in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.